Oh. Nice detail. Shop, spar shop. Watch how you walk out this your life, you know. See now this your life, yeah, man. First rule, protect yourself. Protect your assets. Learn as much as you can learn from as many people as you can learn from. And move fast. Be unpredictable. Don't let nobody predict your movements. Say hello once. Say goodbye once. In between, keep your mouth shut. Yes. This is it, nice. I'll go back in.
I didn't produce this.
I didn't produce this earlier.
Yeah, man.
Eh,
But it kind of cool.
you might try dry it.
Yes, I try dry it, you know.
Okay, Cali.
Yeah, man.
Cali weed.
Cali weed, man. So I dry it now. Because she won't come down with the last night, so he say wait up, so I said no problem, don't worry about that.
Dry it.
Try and get the smoke or the smoke, right? The heat off of the. Don't blaze up the fire, just make it steady.
Yeah.
Within another day or so you come in.
So we're going to do some mackerel and some rice.
Oh yeah, mackerel and
Yeah, man, for the little lunch break.
for your lunch break, no, for your lunch break, no.
Just so you know.
I can go down the road and get fried chicken for you.
Fried chicken?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Them sell fried chicken Saturday daytime.
Which part?
Down the road on this one.
How much them sell for?
Any amount you want.
Put down on the meat, man.
Oh, no, alright.
And anything you fry, but you have to fry it.
Okay.
Because
No, me no fry food. Me no love fry food. Me no really fancy. Me no eat fry food. But only thing me tell you already, you know, me say the only thing we eat is just one little piece of fried chicken.
Okay.
But I just don't eat fried food like all them.
So Karen asked me.
Yes, he asked me, say if it, yeah, you know, say you're there. Yeah, me don't know, me did not go ask you something, but me still never want to ask you, because I'm a different man, you know. Enough people see me, they don't know how me is. When me hear you say something to me, you see,
Yeah.
then me did I wonder where you see Samantha.
Yeah. Let me see her.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see her.
Yes.
I call her.
Oh, you call her up on the phone
Yeah,
and talk to her through the phone. And then he explain to you through the phone.
yeah.
Oh.
But me, I wonder, say to myself, When I get sick, I mean, no, I get sick, you know.
Yeah, true. Sometimes I come in the yard and I feel like, say, I can't even move off of them. So every time we are, I'm tired to tell. When I sit down on the piece of black, I see a current sit down here, so. I'm going to mind if you can have a glass of water, come give me. Because the water now, Baba.
Only if them know how tired as a man.
And sometimes we say to him, say, I tell you this, man. When you see me in the bush and cones, I just see me sit down right on the block here, so. I want to have 1.5 hours.
Just for sit down.
Just for sit down. Because once you see me step through this door, I not take lunch time. I not take breaks time. The good thing about it with me and Denny in the bush, I will say, Denny, I want the tea now, you know. And then go make some bomb, make up the fire, hot the tea. Say, tea ready. As me go and give me the tea, I me drink the tea, as me drink it, I put on the cup, I back to work. I not sit down. When the lunchtime come in, we say at lunchtime, you know, Daddy.
So that means 30 minutes. That's what I tell you, if you record video, I talk to the people. I mean, you don't even have 30 minutes time.
No, I don't have them the time.
Denny.
I don't have them the time, man. Believe you me, I'm honest. I don't have 30 minutes. I can't sit down 30 minutes and I go.
You've never sat down for 30 minutes?
Not even 10. Not even 10 minutes at the time. Because there are so much things in the brain where sitting down at the gully, they so I call me, one that set over there so I call me, one set up there so I call me.
The plans, they will call you.
I call
tell you where we need to move on.
We need to move on, we need you to do something to me. You know.
Come on. You have to wrap that one there.
Yes.
That have a plant, that healer need
that
for
healer want plant.
Grass over there so for
that one
weed.
I say me want weed. The plant tree I say me want clean. Because fungus will take me. So everybody is at me. So I don't have time to sit down. So when me work for when sometime when me reach a bush at 6 o'clock, 5:45, I'm hang up the bagger and I start work. I just work till when me ready for left over there. If sun hot at 3:34.
From 4 in the morning till 4.
Yeah, when me wake up 4 o'clock, me still at work.
But you know, if you wasn't doing this, you probably go crazy, you know.
Hmm?
Your,
no, but if me stop doing it, I'm mad.
Your genes is a genes where I don't know what kind of African you be, but
Have you do this? Yeah. If all this man me there, me come like me head afraid of nobody cause I want to move.
Yeah, sit down.
I sit me I waste time, I sit down, I'm not supposed to.
So what we doing here today?
Tin mackerel. And the rice.
Alright, that done, that ready.
Ready.
Nothing more. Yeah. Rice and peas. Yeah. I love you put lemonade in them. I hope the world.
You done, you know?
The lemonade done?
Yeah, man, you finished. Yeah.
Oh no, man, me go catch some sour orange. Me make it. We have to make some more, man. Danny, you good?
Man.
Hey, the people of the world watching this morning, to write an email to Baba and tell him thank you for the experience, you know. And when you come Jamaica, come see him. Bring a $200. And
yo.
You good, Danny?
Yeah, man, they have been getting now. I can't relax it. Feed run out, but we get them sick.
So what me I say now, you know go and eat, man? So you know go on the party again? Okay. Let me hold this on your shirt out there.
Alright.
Right.
Time for me, you for the cameraman.
Yeah.
Well, no, you know, so I will get some more pepper, you know.
No, man, that's whale pepper, man.
You know,
Of cheap pepper, me cut up in there, you know.
Yes, blessings. Love the tin mackerel. I don't want to take too much. Look on that now. And the rice and peas. Yes, sir. You know, Jamaica use the same spoon for everything, you know.
Yeah, no problem, man.
You know, use different spoon.
Same spoon.
Jamaica, we bless. This is Jamaica Good Life with Randy and Baba and Denny and Bones the cat. Whatever you do, don't forget the posts. Where the fat them there?
Same place.
Turn it around. So there, Baba kitchen, and we're going to eat lunch. See there? We have some bag juice in the fridge.
Yeah, juice. Ah.
Alright, get your one. Make we set up outside.
Bug juice there.
Jamaica. Jamaica good life. Nice place with flowers and everything. Yard is nice. Beautiful weather we're having today. Yeah, man. This is where I'm going to be living, up in the mountains. After hard work in the States, we come here, we retire. You know? Live life and enjoy. Not a planting pear on the tree and everything. Everything airy. An abundance of food and peace and tranquility. This is Jamaica, good life. You know, everything beautiful and nice. Yes, 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 Babylon disappear. Up here. Yeah, man. Enjoy yourself. Live and love.
Food I cook tonight. No matter about belly, no man, food. Once I eat food, you eat, you don't do nothing. See rice and peas, coconut, we grate the coconut.
Rice and peas.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, man.
Sunday today, man.
Sunday.
Of course.
Coconut juice, total, what is?
Vegetable.
Whoa, Baba, why not?
A pumpkin and little cabbage and just vegetable that, man. That's a vegetable.
What the black thing? Pork skin?
No, sir. I just, the chicken when me fry. The chicken, me take the gravy and make the...
Oh, blessings, man. Are they real nice stuff? Where you get the peas? I know you plant it.
Buy a piece.
Yes, Baba. Hey, then if we bring tourists up at the top, them and if we shut your mouth, you know. Oh, that's beautiful, Baba. What am I telling you?
If I 11 o'clock, I cook done, you know.
11 o'clock.
Yeah, man.
What time now?
I don't know what time now.
Keep your mouth shut. So you're feeling today?
I feel good, man. I feel on top of the world.
On Sunday, what you do for the what your routine for on Sundays?
Go bush to go work on Sunday, see
You work on Sunday too?
Yeah.
Till what time?
Like them at time, I just come in now.
Yeah?
Every Sunday.
You who cook it there?
We nobody come and cook.
God,
That's how you think. It's just a normal day, it's another day. For me, it's just another business day. We go work every day. Well, when I'm few times, I will beg Denny. Say, alright. So when you're young, I say, alright, you know, but I take it to him, I want to go. I make him turn and cook. But this is my daily routine. Every day I go cook. When I don't say, you're there. No. But after when you pull off, you see, and you see me start work. The uncle day me not work a Christmas day, me work right up till Grand Market Day, the whole of January, right to February. Me might not take a day off, but that was every day. Every day. And let's say a special occasion, or in a January, you know, or if morning come in December and call me say, me I come down there in a baba. Big sorry that they do this still, but me I go. But me that every day, man. Every day me gone.
We need to raise some money and send you on a vacation.
So you know what?
A cruise. Send you on a cruise. The people them for raise money and send you on a cruise, Baba. Or Disney World.
You know what, the coffee?
The coffee?
Right now, bother with that today.
I'm bother with the coffee.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna eat the coffee too with the food, you know.
Drink the coffee, man.
Yeah, man, come and eat some strength to the period.
Yeah. Coffee, energy food, you know, man.
Yeah, come in and drink on this morning.
Alright. So that's why maybe 2 years drink if I did the day. You see, coffee?
Yeah.
The only thing about the coffee now. You see, once you start drinking the coffee and it start get to you, in the day you don't drink it, you just feel weak.
Oh.
Like all the head coming like a head a drop off of your head. And that feeling secure.
It's an addiction thing.
Right. If me can't wake up one morning,
Yeah.
I know how that coffee. If me it kind of hard to me go to bed and know say the coffee done so. Because it is puzzling to me if you wake up for wait till the shop open you get a pack of coffee. That's why I most likely patch this full of coffee all the way. I always have a pan full of parched coffee. So, because the coffee supply you with a whole lot of energy. So, you know.
That's why, sister, me I run, go Mandeville and run all over the place. You see, once I come in with a car, I buy the food and I'm good.
Yeah. Good. We just buy some food and we stock up in a hill.
Yeah.
If me have food, you see,
Yeah.
when me want my bills to pay, I say, then you will go pay the bill and I'll come back. I don't go pay anywhere. Because everything, me have everything right. So I just have my food. So I look about a buckle here right now. I go get a quarter bad boy from the transporter.
So what uncle say him want? Him say him want chicken weed or something?
No, ginger and turmeric. The ginger and turmeric, they mix it. Remember, we just give a little bit of the coffee and the coffee daily. Because through the food ready now, we don't have to overload you for the coffee.
Give thanks. A cup of big man.
Yeah, man. Karen buy me that, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
It's a nice cup, man.
Yeah, man. Karen knows him is a man.
See the cup how the cup big the Jamaica. Big cup, Give thanks and blessing, yes, sir.
Yes, man.
After them watch all them episodes, I'm going to miss you. Them say, Randy, pack your bag, go back to Jamaica, I say, where the plane ticket there?
Where the plane ticket there?
Where the plane ticket there, people? Top eyes, Randy, just
go
on. I say, you want to see them there on them? Hey, right as we are talking right just now.
Yeah.
You know, see them there on, whole family sit down, there on 5 or 6 people right now watching, in a living room,
Oh, yeah, I see.
So make you go watch Baba.
Stay with that money, I see.
5, 6 people in Atlanta right now, as we are saying this, we can call upon them there right there. And
the woman, you see the woman where you tell me say, you could brown doctor woman there, 14 cents and come give me for drinking.
What you need?
You need somebody, the fluid thing where you tell me say.
For cleanse your body?
No man, my spine out. Yes, sir.
Your spinal hurt?
Yeah, man.
Your lower back?
Lower back, yes. Sometimes, even sometimes, they work hard work.
Boy, this is a coffee, man. You're right. This give you all the energy you have,
You know that I tell you, man?
Lord God, man.
That I tell you, man.
No milk or nothing tonight.
To buy Alaska Lasaya.
What Alaska? What that? Milk? What kind of milk that?
See it, man. Look at this.
Yeah.
Otherwise, let me show you. So, back up. Come now, you see?
I like to know everything when everything,
See it. Read it.
If you get my glasses. There's Alaska. Vanilla. Let me see it at the back of the ingredients.
Yes, look on the ingredients.
I'll get my glasses. Let me see if we can. I'm going to read this later.
I'm going to do the next one. Something I get me. You know you're the next thing to come.
A knife? No. I don't see it. So you put a little bit of Alaska in it?
Just look a bit of that.
Okay.
They say that's good for your man,
The Alaska?
I know, Alaska milk powder and that, And the milk powder and that, Milk powder is a different powder away from that one. And the milk powder and that. This is the thing when they give the picking them in a school for drink.
Okay.
For building energy and something.
Yeah.
Right. But we buy it too. Because the people can't drink it. Especially adults. And if you don't go baby alone. Any food where baby eat, you know, it's good for you, you know.
Yeah.
Because what the food do to the baby is training him. So if you eat and drink the same kind of food, you have the energy and strength same way.
You want the coffee pure energy?
Yes. When me wake up a morning time, we have a next cup like that in the India. When we drink it full of coffee and everything, we don't want enough. We don't want no more food.
You stop this for a second. Jamaica. This is Randy at Baba House. When you come on vacation, call me. The authentic food from country people. See it, yeah? Yes. Now if it taste Baba food. The rice and peas shell out nicely. Me and I love a whole avocado. You see me? Fried chicken pan Sunday. I know say, you know, cabbage and pumpkin vegetable. Thyme and thing. See there. Green pepper and everything, yeah? So, you know, come through, man. Yeah. You see the Baba there?
I mean this, you know.
Yeah, man. Give me a chair. Get that chair.
One thing, this one hot, sir.
This one hot here, so. I could go down here, so Baba.
Yeah, you know about downside.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't go so bitter.
Put another shade.
Yeah, nice shade, no good. It's good for me.
Him give you your money?
Yeah.
Finally. Yeah.
Finally, we get the end.
Make too much noise now, pig wake up.
No, no nice. It's a cut. See, right now, I'm not eating all it today. This is it.
Give thanks and blessings. Almighty creation. Avocado. So now, tell me how you prepare the rice and peas. You cook now. Because it shell out nicely.
Full out nice.
You know, together, you know, stick.
No, man.
You put butter on it?
No use butter. Cook food. But that easy to sleep up too much.
What's one of your main philosophies in life? Forget you through all this time. Your main philosophy. Something where you live by every day.
Maybe farming, man. We don't have a philosophy. Things that you do. Alright.
Like a code you live by. With people, or with your when you feel like giving up, when things get hard, or you reset yourself and say, you know, man, go keep going.
Well, let me tell you, you have a vision. You're not really quick. What me apply myself to. And you philosophy in life. About where you want to go, where you're going, how you get there, not true? Yeah. Where in life you heading for? How you going to get there? But it's a good take for you to reach there.
Yeah.
But if you fall down, how you get up back? Can you manage to jump up on your face and rise up back again?
I have 4 children. You take care of 5.
6 of them.
6.
5 are for me. And 2 we are not for me.
Which food's not yours?
And first baby mother have 1. And for me poor if you don't have 1. But we must have 2 outside and a 4 people me and Karen have been up with 1 date.
You lost a child
With Karen, yeah man.
as a baby.
I'm dead when my baby.
Oh.
I'm dead young. Dead about 4 to 5 months ago.
Where did you bury him or her?
We don't burn him. We don't bury him, we burn him.
Okay.
I'm in the hospital. When I ask you, I'll go over to go sign up.
Something was sick.
Hmm?
Baby was sick. Girl or boy?
Boy. Carrying pressure is high when you marry baby. High pressure. So when the baby born now, baby born sick. I could be a time living after the baby at that time when you live. In the hospital. Go on and September. The doctor them say no make it.
How did that make you feel?
One day we get a call saying dead. If you come in. You feel yes, but I tell you. At the time, if you say what did I affect Karen at the time we did a Mandeville work. And she alone did there with the people them. During this stage of pregnancy. You have to hit the road.
Yeah, have to work.
Have to work, because right now the farming, I think I maybe get mashed down with the farming. So I'm putting if you go to school, see if you get money if you do so. So I can't sit down here, I have to hit the road. I'm get a job on Monday. And start work. When I come home on weekend time, I'm sorry for them.
You what?
Sorry for them. Because things now work out the way how we plan for. The amount of food now coming. Till one of the time when I come home, when I man to now, he call me, tell me, say, Denny have to go in the bush and look out the bush. And then I look at boy, Because no gas in the stove. I'm here. No, man. And you gave me the man, the very dent and come and say, Daddy. I'm not like a boy, no. Say, Daddy. Hungry, no, man. Just see if you can send some flour and cook in there, and fry fritters, man. When you tell me on the phone, I turn up on the building because construction me doing. I seem like leave, you know, say, boy, I'm picking them there, I'm hungry. I'm tell myself, say, look here, I'm going home. No more to room now, I cannot walk. I'm going home. You believe my body, man. You see, I'm going home.
Construction wasn't paying enough.
Not pay enough money. And even sometimes when you forget pay, you get none neither. Boss, I come to the fair. Money you come here, half day and come fat. Back of story when Friday could even come. You see, me remember one Friday, man. I say, we work hard at the week for me. I say, we want to make some money. And when time the pay bill me come, then forget about 20,000. And one man just collect the money, my partner just collect the money and make sure shut off to St. Elizabeth. And never look for me and give me $1,000 of the money. And one gone with it. So I go to the boss and make him know I go on the boss and I can't help you nobody. Took one next man. And I next 4 man and I say, boy, I'm going to can't do for you. It's give you fear. I could go. And him give me fear. And if I'm a job here, I have to touch us and borrow. Hey, let me tell you this. Sometimes my man is me, you know. I never tell you some things that me go through. You might pick, when they picking you and never heard of years. I'm just going to do something not easy to sit at me. I come for so long. When I come home now, I face the judgment and I know. But if you see me talk about me and money, then I didn't go to high school.
Speak a little louder.
I didn't go to high school like Christian. I'm going to say, yo, I never get money for sending to school. Because I go now and produce no money. We say not even KK and didn't in a high school. I always come out to see us in the high school. So a man, me I go and write up this up. I'm sure a man. I got me go. I go up papa my head over so. I'm sure a man say, Baba, you see Pops? I say, no. Man sucking teeth. So I said, no, what happened? I can't look at Pastor. I said, no, man, what happened? Pops to go help me dig some yam this morning, man. I said, right, cool. Then you see me? He just turned to me and said, then, you look at Pops, you see me? To me.
You had no money.
No money.
Nothing.
No food. We left crying and picking them with not even a piece of yam. Because I have no yam, I just come for a man, but we get yam. The man say, if you want to come, you can come in, man. So we ask him, if you want to come, I come. I mean, knock at the same time. Head up at the ground and we start dig yam and carry yam. Meanwhile, I dig him and carry yam come on road. And the evening, hey, me tell you, God, that's why me trust God. No man can't tell me nothing about God, you know. They believe in a God. The evening, when I come home, when we put out the yam around the so, and I come up here. You see, a half bag of yam me get. One of them cocos bag there, half a yam. Come put down in the kitchen. And the man give me $1,000. Them the time $1,000 can buy a whole heap of chicken back and flour. I don't even think chicken back they reach $50 a pound. It's about $25 a pound for chicken back that time. That time I could ask in our dinner at school for 2 days. And buy a whole heap of some sugar, rice, and laugh when I come home the night. God open and do it for me. So when I dig the yam in the day now. Same youth now. I am run the boss business, you know. So he say, boy, you know, say the boss I go on some man see clean up on the back the yam same time. I say so he say if you want to come, you can come, man. So I just sit to the boss here now. I look at 3 days a week with you, know. He said, no problem, man. I get a job for 3 days a week. Right, so I work with him 3 days for every week. Every day for the week, I work 3 days, $3,000. Bam, then he ran him here to school now, non-stop. Then I get $300 a day for go to school. I can make then $1,500. Bam, what I 3 days, KK, them I get $50. KK, the money secure and food money secure. I'm going to do it for about in April. Straight till then get some holiday in July. The one man my house my 3 days with. So, nobody know what I talk about. You know, that bit of rose pass through. When Kano, when K them now, pass them common entrance now and start to go to Mandeville school, the buckets get back severe again. K I go on the Mandeville with $500 a day, Denton I go for 500 and then I go for 800. Right as somebody. God. Sometimes I gotta go dig the yam and put it in the sun, so like how the sun make it ripen. Just to find the money if you then go to the week. In the first school year up for K top from school, 12 days out of the school year. When the report come, I shot 12 days out of the year. So Marlene come at the August and ask them so how they are doing. What the kids doing? I say, well, them are going, you know. So she said, how is school? I say, well, I do what I can. I said, they have a report. I say, yeah. So I said, Marlene said, if my dad said no, I'm Marlene to come to the phone and call me and say, Baba, walk come to America. Try to see if you can catch me and walk. If I'm sinking at the sea, I walk, me and walk. Somewhere I have to catch it. And he said, go for the report, come and see. And Denton and Anki go in the house and get the report. Marlene. And when Marlene took the report and look on it, he said, no. 12 days you stop in a 1 year. And Denton tap about more than 12 days. He said, no. No. That's no good. Me, I will be taking over as from right here, so. Right here, so.
Marlene, that's your sister.
Yes. I will be making sure that these kids go to school every day. And when he said that, I know somebody will just say something and it not happen. He say it and it happen. I make sure that they make it to school every day. Because sometimes when he sometimes when he put the money in the Western Union, he call me and say the money did it, see number. So I have to call him and tell him say, You know, say we don't have nothing. Marlon make sure say every single month the money they in at the Western Union, I'm go collect it. We send them to school. And if they don't have bills to pay at school, she make sure she pay. And yeah, set extra money too. And must send for me extra little money too. So Marlon, I tell you, we into my heart, man. I say make sure say picking them go to school right up until they left school. You know, right till they left school. When they put Denton in a college. Everybody says, if you put him in a college, come in our money. So you get money. But anyway, I back with you go and I fight with you go on. Because the college give me a proposal how I can pay the money. That's no pressure. But though they give me the proposal, I still can't meet to mine. Go on. So tell what I time now. September now. Like how September now. When Denton fit turn back at school September. I couldn't find the amount of money they have for me. I said, Denton, you know, man. We can't until January. Bypass this term, January, I say, Jesus Christ, that's the biggest crime ever committed in an hour. But Denton jump out of school. Man, it come like say, I shoot a man. For Denton jump out of school. Denton sit down here September, October, November, December. You see when December come, I tell me say, you have to go back now, since I say go. Because I saw you my bush, I dig up so you my pew, so I'm telling him. They say, yes, Denton. You keep with them. Yes, Denton, you never find the road again.
Everybody I watch.
Everybody I watch.
Rain.
Everybody I watch it, you know.
Hey, it's Ronnie. Remember to donate. Continue to support the mission. Continue to support the show. I need a lot more equipment. Continue to share, subscribe, hit the bell, and let's keep the show going. You love it? Support it. Thank you. Take care.